Alright, we're back here, got everything hooked up. I'm going to spray a little bit of ether in these hoses and see if they'll fire. Just going to do the far left hand cylinders. So here goes nothing. Come on. Well, it tried to hit a little bit. I'll try just a little bit more here. Well, evidently it was in gear. Oh. Well, as the video conclusively proves, it does run, and it just about took off without me. I thought it was neutral, but evidently it wasn't. Kickstand got a little bit injured, I think. Alright. Here's the indicators. It went into first gear. I thought it was neutral, but it was in neutral. 6409 is the mileage. So there it is. The readout evidently works. It says it's in first gear, and I want to try to kick it out. Second. That should be neutral, but the little green light's not coming on this time. Alright, well, I think that should be good enough. If you have more questions, give me a call on my cell phone or give me an email. Thanks, goodbye.